Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Azkiya Aulia Rahma from second B, and let's continue with the presentation. Right. The material is about defined terms using analogies, with the title Teacher's Perspective of Teaching English to Young Learners by Sri Endang Kusmaryati. This study in Bengkulu, Indonesia explored communicative activities employed by 11th grade English teachers using a mixed method design involving qualitative and quantitative approaches. 2 teachers were observed and interviewed. 13 types of communicative activities were identified, with the most common being the question and answer session. The study concludes that teachers implemented communicative activities and suggests further research in related areas such as listening or reading skills. A conversation is like a dance between 2 or more people, where each participant takes turn leading and following, just as dancers communicate through movement. Individuals in a conversation exchange ideas and thoughts, creating a harmonious interaction. Developing ideas is akin to cultivating a garden. You start with seeds of thoughts, nurture them through careful attention, and exploring allow them to grow into fully formed concepts, just as a gardener tends to plants, fostering their growth from initial sprouts to mature blooms. Mastering technique use is comparable to learning musical instruments, just as musicians practice scales and chords to enhance their skills. Individuals refine specific methods or approaches through dedicated practice, gradually becoming proficient in their chosen field. The effective aspect is like the color palette in a painting. It encompasses emotions, attitudes, and feelings, adding depth and nuance to human experience, much like how colors contribute to the richness and vibrancy of a visual masterpiece. Approaching a task is akin to charting a course on a map. It involves selecting a path, considering the terrain, and adjusting your direction as needed. Just as a navigator navigates through challenges, individuals tailor their approach to efficiently reach their goals, adapting to the dynamic landscape of tasks at hand. A method is comparable to a well-organized recipe. Just a recipe outlines specific steps, ingredients, and procedures to achieve a desired dish. A method provides a systematic and structured approach to solving problems or accomplishing tasks, ensuring consistency and effectiveness in the process. Pronunciation is like the melody of language, where the correct intonation and rhythm bring words to life. Just as a musician carefully tunes their instrument, individuals refine their pronunciation to communicate effectively, ensuring that the sounds they produce convey meaning clearly and harmoniously. And characteristics are akin to the unique traits that define individuals, much like the distinct features that make each piece in a mosaic stand out. These inherent qualities and attributes collectively shape the nature of a person, object, or concept, contributing to their overall identity and setting them apart from others. Perceptions are akin to the lenses through which we view the world, comparable to different camera filters. Just as filters alter the colors and tones in a photograph, individual perception shape our interpretation of reality, influencing how we understand and responding to diverse experience and information presented in our lives. References are analogous to the bibliography of a scholarly paper, similar to how a bibliography leads to sources that contribute to the foundation of a research work. References provide a traceable record of the sources and citations used to support claims or information in academic, professional, or creative endeavors. And last, that's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.